This video is about the Burs. We have the burr. It's to be used in a high or low speed handpiece parts. We have the burr shanks, which I showed you in my other video. This is to fit shank part of burr into handpiece. This is like it's a variety of shanks into different styles of handpieces. Working on cutting end or the burr could be the same style or size. The shank could be different according to the handpiece and handpiece used. We have the round burr. This is to remove caries from tooth structure, to open tooth for endodontic treatment, to create retention and cavity preparation, to use for many procedures on a tooth. And we have the inverted comb burr. This is to establish retention in tooth for cavity preparation. Then we have the tapered fissure burr. This is to cut cavity preparation, to form angles in walls of cavity preparation, to place retention grooves in walls of cavity preparation. Then we have the finishing burr. This is to finish composite restoration, to finish restoration by restoring an anatomy and tooth, to equilibrate or adjust occlusion. Then we have the diamond burr. This is to reduce a tooth from crown preparation when a square shoulder is needed. Then we have the diamond burr. This is to reduce a tooth for crown preparation when parallel walls and flat floors are needed. And we have like the diamond burr flame. To reduce a tooth from crown preparation for subgingival margins. We have the diamond burr wheel. To reduce a tooth for crown preparation on lingual aspects of anterior teeth and to reduce bulk of incisional edges. We have the mandrel snap-on. This to attach this to a mandrel for finishing and polishing inside or outside oral cavity. Mandrel is inserted into handpiece. This one is the one that has the long shank, the short latch type shank, the friction grip shank. Then we have the mandrel screw. To attach disc or mandrel for finishing and polishing inside or outside oral cavity. Mandrel is inserted into handpiece. The shank types are the long shank, the short latch type shank, and the friction grip shank. And we have a sandpaper disc with screws. And these are to contour restoration, to polish restorative material, extra fine grit, a range of grits, like different types, darker colors, this more abrasiveness, two types. The number one is a screw on. The number two is a snap-on. Then we have the composite disc. And this is like to contour, restorations, to polish or smooth restorative materials, extra fine grit. They have the snap-on and they have the snap-on composite and the composite disc. Snap-on and the composite disc. And then you have the rubber points. The brown one is for the most abrasive. The green one is for less abrasive, and the white one is white is to polish point. And then we have to find the acrylic burr. And this is to cut modules or trim acrylic in laboratory. They have the long shank for attachments to straight handpiece. It varies. This is a laboratory burr diamond disc. This is to contour or cut models in the laboratory. Then we have the magnetic burr block with Burs. And this is to be used on dental tray setups. The magnetic to hold the burrs in place, holds friction grip, and latch type burrs. Variety of shapes and size available. Various colors available to coordinate with color of tray. The acrylic burrs. The acrylic burrs are right here. There's more right here. All right here. And these are used with the straight flow speed used to adjust acrylic materials, partials, dentures, also for plaster. Also used to plaster stone and metal materials.